Hi students, coming to next topic, that is classification of indexing. In the previous video I explained what is an indexing, okay, and what is that structure of index. Okay, so now let us see here the classification of indexing. So the indexing can be classified like dense indexing and the sparse indexing. So indexing is of two types, whether it may be a dense indexing or sparse indexing. So in dense indexing means, so what do you call this? Dense index. So in dense indexing, if an index entry is created for every search key value, here an index entry is created for every search key value. So whatever the index entry is there, for every index entry you are created for every search key value, that you call it as a dense index. Now coming to the sparse index. So what is a sparse index? So here an index entry is created only for some records, okay, then it is called the sparse index. So this is the difference between these two. Here in dense index, for each and every entry, a search key value will be there, okay, whereas in sparse index, an index entry is created only for some records, only for some particular records only the index entry will be created, whereas in dense, for each entry a search key value will be there. Okay, here the more search key values will be there, here the less, only whatever the required we want, those keys will be present in the sparse index. So here see, so suppose this is the index structure. So in the index structure, what you have the search key value and the block pointer. Okay, so whatever the item we are searching for, means that pointer will be there, and this is the key value what we are searching for, 1 2 3 like that. So it should be in sorted order like that. Okay, 4 5, so 5 will be there. So coming to the data block, here we have to find our required data. So what it does, so it goes to each and every record, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, for each index entry is created for every search key value. So for every search key value a particular index entry is created, and 1 to 1 will be there for every base point block pointer is searching for the first record, the record that is there in the data block. Okay, so here it's searching each and every block in the disk. Okay, now coming to the sparse index. Sparse index means, so this is the index structure. Here you are having the search key and the base pointer, block pointer. So you want to search 1 4, suppose 2 like that, 7, and here you are having the data block, 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so after 1, instead of going to 2 with the help of the search key 4, directly it goes to the 4th block. Okay, so instead of going to 5, it directly goes to the 7, means it is not searching each and every key in the data block. So this is the sparse index. Sparse index is only here the index entry is created only for some records. So whatever the records that are present in the search key, those records will be accessed by the sparse index. Whereas in dense index, each and every entry is created and every search key value will be there for those entry. Okay. So this is dense index and sparse index. So let us see different types of indexes. Okay, so the different types of the indexes will be divided into a single level. It may be a single level or multi-level. So single level is of different types. That is, the first is primary index, cluster index, and secondary index. Okay, so these three types of index you call it as a single level index, whereas multi-level index or B tree, B plus tree. Okay, so the index may be a single level or a multi-level. Single level is primary index, cluster index, secondary index. Multi-level is B tree and B plus tree. Okay, so single level a primary index will use primary key plus it should be whatever the table you are using, that should be in order. Okay, and cluster index, it may not use the primary key. It should be it depends upon the non-key attribute on the database table. Non-key plus, and the database table should be in ordered. So next is the secondary index. Secondary index is non-key, like just like a candidate or else it is a candidate key, not a primary key. Maybe it should be a candidate key. Non-key plus and unordered. So secondary index means the database table may be in unordered. Okay, whereas in cluster index, the database should be ordered and we use the non-key attribute for index. So in the primary index, we use primary key as a search key value and it should be ordered. Okay. So let us see how the single index and the multi-level index will be there. Suppose if we take the single index. Single index. Single index means it's a primary, cluster, secondary. Okay, so they will look like, suppose this is the index. Index is having the search key value and the block pointer. Okay, and here this is the data item. So we are just accessing the data item. Okay, so this you call it as a single level. Here index and data directly communicating. Okay, here index and data are directly connected to each other. So you call this as a single index. Coming to multi-level. Multi-level index. So what is this multi-level index? So here you take, this is an outer index. So these are the pointers. And here you are having the inner index. For each and every point you are having the inner index, and for this inner index you are having the actual data blocks. Okay, these are the data blocks. Okay, so this you call it as a multi-level index. So here a communication index will be communicating to data blocks with the help of another inner index. So outer index is connected to the select the data in inner index, and here in inner index search for the particular data items in the data block. Okay, so why we are using this multi-level index? If you use the single index, if there is a large size of index, that single index cannot be handled. So for that case we will go for the multiple disk access. Okay, single index cannot handle large size of index. Large size of index cannot handle by the single index. Okay, to place in memory. So which leads to a multiple disk access. Okay, so if single index is used, then a large size index cannot be kept in memory, which leads to a multiple disk access. So this is about different classifications of indexing: dense indexing and the sparse indexing. Okay, single level index, multi-level index. So single level index is the primary cluster and the secondary you call it as a single level, whereas multi-level means B tree, B plus tree. So these two searchings you call it as a multi-level index. Thank you.